Thanks for joining me to hear of current job opportunities. My channel is Applied Virtual Solutions. Due to our current and unusual situation, which has brought about certain benefits for some companies and for some workers. Through online work, independent contractors, full-time, part-time, contract workers or freelance workers are able to earn extra income. And the freedom to work from home or on some occasions anywhere they choose. Today I am presenting some non-phone work from home jobs. If these type of jobs is of interest to you, subscribe to my channel. Click the bell so that you will be notified of current and updated job openings. These are academic test scorer jobs. You will grade tests that are completed and submitted online. This involves grading papers, exams, or tests for a specific company or examining board. These tests could include grading SAT papers, ESL tests, or any other standardized test or writings. The work varies and you are able to choose the type of jobs that suit you and your expertise. Some of the work is seasonal, coinciding with school examination periods. However, there are jobs available year-round, depending on the area you choose to specialize in. The great thing about this kind of job is that if you carry out the work to a high standard, companies are likely to invite you back. As far as applications and requirements, they vary based on the type of online test scoring jobs you're undertaking. Some will require that you have a 2- or 4-year degree. Although this isn't always the case. Pay rates vary, with most companies offering around $10 to $20 per hour. The pay really depends on the type of job you take and the company you're working for. With most companies, the pay isn't affected by the experience levels. Here are the 5 leading online test scoring companies. 1. ACT, ACT. ACT requires the services of skilled readers to score student writing tests. The ACT writing test assesses individuals' writing skills and is often taken alongside other reading or English exams. As an ACT reader, you will score the tests based on ACT's writing guidelines. The grading criteria is provided prior to scoring your first paper. ACT agents are always on hand to offer support to readers. Each paper is scored by 2 individual readers who are not in contact with each other. This is to ensure each paper is scored fairly and accurately. All applicants need to hold a bachelor's degree in English. ACT's readers average $12 per hour. 2. ETS. ETS, or Educational Testing Service, provides a range of online test scoring opportunities. They provide tests for various institutions including high school SATs, proficiency tests, and many other online and offline exams. As an ETS scorer, you might find yourself working on a range of different tests. The requirements and rates of pay will vary depending on the job type. Some of the jobs with this company will require applicants to hold a bachelor's degree, and others will require a master's degree. Some will ask that applicants hold relevant teaching experience, while some require no prior experience or specific qualifications. Due to the wide range of opportunities and the varied nature of the jobs available with ETS, this is one of the most popular sites amongst online test scorers. Pay also appears to be relatively good, averaging between $10 and $20 per hour. ETS does ask that you commit to a dedicated work schedule. ETS may be less convenient for those with other demanding responsibilities. The training may last for 4 weeks and must be completed prior to receiving your first job. 3. WriteScore. Like ETS, WriteScore is one of the more popular sites of this kind. Their website allows prospective applicants to sign up for job alerts. But often you will be added to an initial waitlist due to the high number of applications they receive each year. The work is seasonal with WriteScore but tends to run throughout the entire academic year. They are more widely available than some other providers. As a WriteScore contractor, you will be reading and scoring extended writings, written by students of elementary, middle, or high school ages. The work is extremely rewarding and engaging as you get an insight into the minds of young thinkers. And get to view the world through their eyes while grading their work. To apply, you will need a degree qualification of some description. You will need access to a computer and a stable internet connection. Deadlines can be tight and WriteScore doesn't pay their contractors for training hours. Pay is around $10 to $15 per hour depending on the specific job, which is fairly standard. 4. Pearson. With over 50 years of experience in test scoring, Pearson is regarded by many education institutions as the leader in reputable test scoring. In more recent years, Pearson has begun offering online test scoring jobs to workers. Unlike the other companies listed here, Pearson doesn't use freelance contractors. Test scorers are taken on as part-time employees. This means more stable and consistent work and benefits such as sick pay. It does, however, mean that you'll need to commit to working a minimum of 20 hours per week, which might not fit in with everyone's schedule. All applicants must hold a bachelor's degree and pay is set at $10 per hour. There is also the opportunity to earn more if you're willing to extend your availability to off hours and can complete a high number of jobs efficiently and accurately. 5. Measurement, Inc. Like Pearson, Measurement, Inc. hires test scorers as company employees, usually on temporary contracts. The online test scoring jobs are seasonal and recruitment tends to take place between March and November each year. The work is largely project-based, but you'll likely be required to work Monday to Friday on a pretty strict schedule. If you can fit this into your lifestyle, Measurement, Inc. offers good rates of pay and the jobs are very interesting. You could be scoring anything from English exams to art projects. Pay averages around $10 per hour. And you will need a bachelor's degree in any subject to qualify for work. The work requires a high level of concentration and skill, and also comes with a good amount of responsibility. However, it can be extremely interesting and engaging to read the ideas of a huge range of individuals through their essays or test answers. It's rewarding and could be a great side job for the right person. I will leave a link to these score testers' jobs below in the comment section. And have a